What is your favorite book that has inspired and changed your mindset or, to this business approach or anything?
I got a list this long. I'll compress it. Number one, the Bible. Number two, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And number three would probably be Think and Grow Rich.
Thinking you're rich. Awesome. One thing you wish every new investor or any person who wants to do something with the real estate should understand before kind of really getting into it.
It's going to be probably 10 times harder than you think, but it's going to be 10 times more valuable than you think too once you do it.
Yeah, and it's more fulfilling, right?
Yeah,
That's what to me it is, right? Every time I do acquisition or do something good, I don't know, it's just like how you go to a vacation and you feel good about it. I just feel good about it.
yeah, yeah. And also, I say it's going to be 10 times harder, and it is hard. But one of my favorite sayings is fear is an inch deep and a mile wide. When you're standing there looking at it, it looks like there's an ocean of, oh gosh, I'm going to buy my first rental. What if they don't pay? It's terrifying. But you step your foot in it and you realize your foot barely even gets wet once you do it. And each deal, I think, Ray, you can, pitch in here your opinion. Each deal gets easier, I think. The first one's probably the hardest one to take action on.
I think it gets easier, but there are challenges with each deal. Each deal has its own separate kind of challenges. But what gets easier is that when you know the how to do the analysis, you have seen enough things. Like, when you first start driving, you are scared about even getting out of your driveway, and then you're scared about getting out of your street, then the neighborhood. But then you're driving on highway. Do you still, when you're driving, I mean, I'm 42 now, and when I'm driving, do I not care about how I should drive? I still care, right? But you have driven enough to know what's going to happen.
Mhm.
Can you still be into an accident? Absolutely. But you have some experience behind it. So I think in that sense, every time you are doing a deal, it has its own challenges that you should be aware of, but you have seen enough. You have your contractors, you know people, you know the financing, you know a lot of different things. So it just becomes easier and easier in that sense.